if you want to write messages with your voice on Realme Note 7T, then first of all, we're gonna go to Settings. Over here, scroll all the way down and go to System Update. Then we're gonna go to Keyboard and Input Method. Over here, open Manage Keyboards, and then go to Gboard, as this is the default keyboard that we use on the smartphone. And then we need to go to voice typing, and we need to make sure that it is enabled. Once it is enabled, you can open, for example, the messaging app, the messages I mean, and let's select an example contact. Now over here, let's open the keyboard, and on the right side, you should be able to find this microphone. So we can tap on it, and now whatever you say, it should be converted into a text, as you can see right now on this screen. And there we go. Now, if you want to end it, you can tap on the microphone again. In some other cases, the microphone might be actually deactivated automatically when you end a sentence. In this case, unfortunately, it doesn't end automatically, so we have to press the microphone again. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.